Iguazu Falls is one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world, drawing visitors from across the globe to witness its sheer magnificence. Situated on the border between Argentina and Brazil, this immense system of waterfalls stretches over 2.7 kilometers, comprising 275 individual falls. The unparalleled beauty of Iguazu Falls lies in its dramatic scale and vibrant surroundings, as it is nestled within a lush subtropical rainforest teeming with biodiversity. Tourists who visit often describe the experience as otherworldly, as the sight of water cascading with immense force, creating a roaring symphony, leaves an indelible mark on the memory. The falls are divided into various sections, with the Devil's Throat being the most iconic and awe-inspiring. This U-shaped chasm plunges 80 meters into a cloud of mist, where rainbows often form, enhancing the mystical allure of the location. Both Argentina and Brazil offer unique perspectives of Iguazu Falls, and most visitors recommend exploring both sides to truly appreciate its grandeur. On the Argentine side, travelers can immerse themselves in the fall's raw power by walking along a network of trails and catwalks that bring them remarkably close to the cascades. The upper circuit offers panoramic views, while the lower circuit provides intimate encounters with the thunderous torrents. In contrast, the Brazilian side is celebrated for its sweeping vistas, offering a broader perspective that highlights the fall's incredible scale. The viewing platforms on this side grant stunning photographic opportunities, making it a favorite for shutterbugs. Apart from the visual spectacle, the surrounding Iguazu National Park is a haven for nature enthusiasts. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to over 2,000 plant species, 400 bird species, and an array of wildlife, including toucans, jaguars, monkeys, and colorful butterflies. The park's dense rainforest provides ample opportunities for ecotourism, with guided tours and treks allowing visitors to delve deeper into its ecological richness. Boat tours are another popular activity, giving adventurers the chance to experience the falls from below as they ride through the mist and feel the powerful spray of water on their faces. For those seeking a more relaxed experience, a train ride within the park offers scenic views and convenient access to various trails and viewpoints. Travelers often remark on the seamless integration of natural beauty and visitor-friendly infrastructure, which enhances the overall experience without detracting from the environment's pristine allure. The local culture further enriches the journey, as indigenous Guarani communities inhabit the region and share their traditions, crafts, and stories with visitors, offering a glimpse into their unique way of life. The fall's history is steeped in legend and discovery, with early explorers like Álvar Núñez Cabeza de Vaca marveling at its beauty in the 16th century. Today, Iguazu Falls stands as a symbol of the raw power and splendor of nature, inspiring awe and reverence in all who visit. Visitors often plan their trips during the dry season from May to October, when the weather is mild and trails are more accessible, though the wet season from November to March also has its charm, with the falls at their most voluminous. The experience of standing before Iguazu Falls is not merely about witnessing a natural wonder. It is about feeling its energy, hearing its roar, and connecting with the untamed essence of the earth. Subscribe this channel, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want more travel tips and inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got heaps of adventures to share.